Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Yes, you're in the right place. I have a new look going on. Did this yesterday evening and I couldn't be more excited for a fresh start for 2025. I had extensions in my hair for quite some time and I really loved them. I have them. I will put them back later in 2025, but for right now, I think this fresh, cute little bob cut with bangs is really just what I need. It's quick and easy to style, and I'm just so excited for it. But today's video is not about my hair. We are talking about the latest launch of Realm Fairies, and this is a collaboration with, of course, Bella Beaute Bar, one of my favorite indie brands, and Sassy Fairy over on Instagram. This is going to be another beautiful winter wonderland palette. Let's let's open it up and take a peek inside this beauty. It's 15 pan eyeshadow palette full of gorgeous buttery mattes, duochromes, multichromes, shimmers, foil shadows. There is just everything you could possibly need to create a magical winter wonderland look. This is one of the looks that I will be creating in today's video, and so far, so good. I have always said about Bella Beaute Bar and Gourmand Girls, both of those brands, two of my favorites in the indie space, they keep getting better with every launch, and this one has seemingly been no different. Now, this palette is currently sold out, but there is a restock coming very soon, and I'm hoping the restock is going to be on the website before Christmas. I do have an affiliate code, Bella Beaute Bar. It is Steff10, and that saves you 10% off. However, since this is a collaboration palette, I don't know that codes are going to be working, but if there's any other palettes that you want to pick up, Steff10 for 10% off. And if it's your first time here on my channel, we just welcome everybody. Hello, how are you? My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I love indie makeup, doing multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. If that sounds great to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Bella Beaute Bar or Sassy Fairy over on Instagram, or of me, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and be sure to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I'll be using in today's video. Some of those links and codes might be affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, thank you so much for helping me support this channel. I am ready to get started. We're going to start with this look that I have on. I'm going to do a wear test, at least 10 or 11 hours, and then we'll create the second look, and I will give you guys my final thoughts. If y'all want to see Realm of Fairies in action, keep on watching. All right, guys, so let's start playing with Realm of Fairies from Bella Beaute Bar. Look at that sparkle. Lots and lots of fun. I'm wearing neutrals to work today. Actually, I have to wear two different outfits because we're filming some TV commercials, so that's always very exciting. I am going to do, I think I will do, let's see, maybe this baby blue, this light blue right here. I was kind of tempted to do this light gray, but I have a feeling this will pair a little bit better with what I'm going to be wearing, some of the outfits. So I'm going to start here. This one is called Silver Mist, and I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to apply. Excuse my new bangs. It's going to take some getting used to with his new haircut, but I was ready for a change, so it's always fun to go a little shorter, and if ever I get tired, I can always put my extensions back. All right, so I think that is a very nice start. The next shade that I'm going to go into is this blue down here. This one is called Weeping Willow. And I'm going to do a little bit of a halo eye. So I'll do Weeping Willow right here in the inside portion. And then we'll use a darker shade for the outer portion. Now I'm going to go in with this shade next. This one is called Winter Woods. And I'm going to use that same brush. I just cleaned it off. And we're going to apply it to the outer portion. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'll go in with this shade. This is one of the shades that I was going to use on the outer corner, but I just decided not to. This one is called Changeling, and I'm using a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. So I'm going to go in with my Gourmand Girls Shimmer Primer next, and I'm just going to apply that to the eyelids. And we'll start, I'm mainly going to focus this on the center. Now, I think I am going to use this beautiful shade right here. This one is called Reflection. I'm using my Morphe M124 to apply. Oh, it's beautiful. That's like a winter wonderland. Right now, I'm just retouching the two matte shades on the outside and inside of the eye. All right, I think that looks really good. Let's do something for the inner corner. I'm eyeing this one and this one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one is called Moonstone. Same brush, I just sprayed it. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, guys, loving the way this first look is turning out. I'm going to pop off camera, take care of those finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I totally love it. A total winter wonderland. Let me tell you some of the products that I went in with. I went in with my LA Girl black eyeliner for the top lash line. I'm using the Bella Beaute Bar Mascara. This launched, I think it was over the summer, the Lush Lash Mascara, and I love it. If it's in stock, it's totally worth picking up. It gives good separation and length to my lashes. And of course, this look would not be complete with one of my most favorite blue eyeliners, Give by Gwen Stefani, in the shade Bathwater. And I have another one waiting, but yep, that's the dent I've made in it. I haven't used it in a while, so this was the perfect opportunity to use my favorite liner. I love the way the look turned out. I will do a wear test today on this look, so I will check in with you guys in about 10, 11 hours from now, and we'll see how the eyeshadows have held up. Stay tuned. Hey guys, 10-hour check-in here, and this is what we are looking like. I noticed a little bit of creasing right in here. I don't know if that's maybe the shimmer primer or not. I'm going to try not using the shimmer primer tomorrow and see if that makes a difference. But usually Bella Beaute Bar, their formula is pretty solid. So that's why I'm thinking it might be that. But other than that, everything looks good. I didn't really get any fallout. It looks intact. It's still vibrant and beautiful as it was when I applied it this morning. So no complaints. I will check with you guys tomorrow for look number 2. All right, guys, so let's start working on look number 2 with Realm of Fairies. I'm actually wearing blue to work today, but I feel like I want to do maybe something a little smoky. So I think I'm going to start with this shade in the crease. And then I did use this shade yesterday, so maybe I will pack this on the lid. Actually, I should probably start with this shade first. I'm going to pack this black. It's kind of like a sequin shade because you see a little bit of sparkle in it. So I'm going to pack this on the lid, and then I will use this light gray to blend it out. And then maybe we can do this purple shade on the lower lash line and then play with some of these darker shimmers. And I'm using a Singe Beauty E04 to start applying the shade. Ooh, I also see there is a couple purples in here. Well, they're like duochromes because they're very shifty shadows. When I showed you guys the palette, they look blue, and now that I have the palette laying flat, they look purple. So I could probably do some of those. Now I'm going in with that light gray shade just right here in the crease to kind of just diffuse the black. And I'm using a Rephr 14 brush. Keep in mind we're putting shimmer all over this, so the blend doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little more perfect up here in the crease because this part will show a little bit. And I did not go in heavy-handed with the black. I could have probably built it up some more, but I don't really feel like I need to just because the shimmer is going to go over it. All right, now today I'm not going to use any of the shimmer primer. So I think I'm going to start with this shade right here, then work my way into this shade, and then use maybe one of these for like the center. And I'm going in with a damp Morphe M709 to start applying. Now this looks purple in the pan, but as you can see, once it gets onto the lid, it's looking blue. Now I'm going in with that second shade. Look at how beautiful that is. And let me spray it with a little bit of setting spray. Oh, that is gorgeous. So this is definitely going to be a palette for those of you that love your blues and grays. And I'm going to be wearing this look for at least 11 hours today. So we're really going to put it to the test. And again, no primer, so we can see if that helps it not to crease the way it did just a little bit yesterday. The shade is absolutely stunning. Just gonna go back in with the first shimmer a little bit just to bring it back because I feel like we kind of lost it with that brighter blue. Very cool. Now I need to touch up I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of the matte black. Just going to run it right above just to soften that line there. Again, not taking it up very high. I don't want this look to get out of control. I want you to be able to see my brow bone. Like I want there to be significant space there. I like that. I like that so much. I did get a little bit of fallout today since I was not using the shimmer primer. So just be mindful of that. Okay, now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm just going to pick it up with my finger. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And pop it right there in the center. It kind of ties the blue with that purple. Perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I love it so much. Now we got to do something for the lower lash line, and I think I'm going to go in with that lighter purple shade, and it's going to be this one right here. I'm using my Refer 26 to apply. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. I'm using a What's Up Beauty R107. I did spray it. All right, guys, I think we have a beautiful look going on. Let me take care of finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I am noticing a little more fallout today. Again, I didn't use the shimmer primer, but I really love the way this look turned out. Purple and blue moment right here. Really love it. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Psychedelic Sister. And I absolutely love it. My lipstick is also the same from yesterday. It's this little lip combo right here from Juvia's Place. It's their shade Libra and an LA Girl lip liner in the shade Forever Bare. So same makeup, same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. I need to finish getting ready for work, so I will check with you guys when I get home, getting home late from work today. But we'll see how the eye look held up, and I will give you guys my final thoughts on Realm of Fairies from Bella Beaute Bar and their collaboration with Sassy Fairy. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here we are 12 hours later. Look at that beautiful shimmer, the shiftiness in the shadow. I love it. And I didn't get any creasing today. I did get a little bit of fallout, nothing major. I was able to kind of flick it away, but very minor. And I think the shadows wore better today, just using them with a damp brush, picking it up first and then spraying the brush with some setting spray and applying. I really like this palette. I think Bella Beaute Bar, as per usual, they did a fabulous job. Congratulations to Sassy Fairy for her collaboration with Bella Beaute Bar. And I think it's aces. I definitely think it's worth picking up. Hopefully it will be restocked very soon. I'm hoping before Christmas. Don't forget that my affiliate code Steff10 saves you 10% off over at Bella Beaute Bar. Thank you to all of you who have used my code recently. I really appreciate it. But this palette is definitely worth checking out. Realm of Fairies is getting 2 thumbs up from me. Really liked it. It's a beautiful, cool toned blue winter color story. If these are your shades, then this is definitely a palette for you because Bella Beaute Bar has an amazing formula. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. Let me know which look you like best. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye!